Popular American singer Billie Eilish is known for her dark-themed style and music. Recently, the 19-year-old opened up about how watching pornography at a young age destroyed her brain. During her appearance on the Howard Stern show, she spoke openly about her early porn addiction, which started when she was only 11-year-old. She spoke on the topic when she was discussing the inspiration for her song Male Fantasy. She further said that watching adult movies affected her mental health as well as her own intimacy. She said as a woman she thinks porn is a disgrace, and she honestly revealed that she used to watch a lot of porn. She further said that watching such content at the age of 11 destroyed her brain, and she felt incredibly devastated to realize that she was exposed to so much porn. Further, she revealed that she had sleep paralysis and night terrors as a result of watching violent and abusive pornography. She said the violent videos affected her idea of intimacy. She says she is angry that porn is so loved and that she is angry at herself, thinking that it was okay. Anti-sexual exploitation advocates have praised Billie Eilish's remarks. Exodus Cry founder Benjamin Nollert said in a statement, "Unfortunately, consuming violent porn at 11 is not an anomaly within our culture, it's emblematic of our culture, since the average age of exposure is now somewhere between 7 and 13 years old, and most kids have unsupervised internet access by age 8. While there are virtually no safeguards on any porn sites, Billie's testimony underscores the undeniable need to protect children from the world of freely accessible porn that they are immersed in, and it's exactly why we launched the Protect Children Not Porn campaign." Dawn Hawkins, CEO of the National Center on Sexual Exploitation, said Eilish's testimony matches what research about the harms of pornography show, that childhood exposure to pornography affects children's developing brains and normalizes the sexual violence, exploitation and abuse so frequently seen in online. Hawkins further said, "Modern online pornography is filled with extreme sexual violence, child sexual abuse, racism, and other disturbing and abusive content. Online pornography platforms are designed to hook even casual viewers to seek even more violent and extreme content." Billie Eilish's experience is not unusual for porn users, researchers have found. As per a recent Savanta Congress poll conducted on 2,087 adults in the UK, 34% of adults believe porn is an acceptable part of modern society. A 2018 research reveals porn and loneliness fuel each other in a vicious cycle. Pornography giant Pornhub grabbed headlines this year after victims of sex trafficking accused it of monetizing child sexual abuse, rape, and sex trafficking on its platform. Webroot Cybersecurity's data states that more than 28,200 users are watching porn every second, and 35% of all internet downloads are related to pornography. What do you have to say about porn addiction at a young age? Let us know in the comment section. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel The Vocal News, and don't forget to like, share and comment. You can also follow us on Facebook and log on to our website www.thevocalnews.com for latest news updates.